Chainsaw Man Chapter 201 release date and time. According to the official Manga Plus website, Chainsaw Man Chapter 201 is scheduled for release on Wednesday, April 30, 2025, at midnight, JST, in Japan. International readers can access the chapter a day earlier, on Tuesday, April 29, 2025. As release times may vary depending on the region, fans are advised to check the specific release schedule for their area to catch the highly anticipated new chapter as soon as it drops. Timezone Local date and time. Pacific Standard Time. 8 a.m., Tuesday, April 29, 2025. Eastern Standard Time. 11 a.m., Tuesday, April 29, 2025. British Summer Time. 4 p.m., Tuesday, April 29, 2025. Central European Summer Time. 5 p.m., Tuesday, April 29, 2025. Indian Standard Time. 8:30 p.m., Tuesday, April 29, 2025. Philippine Standard Time. 11 p.m., Tuesday, April 29, 2025. Japanese Standard Time. 12 a.m., Wednesday, April 30, 2025. Australia Central Time. 12:30 a.m., Wednesday, April 30, 2025.